I love using puff pastry in savory meals, and I found one actually on the inside of the puff pastry box that I think you're going to like. It's seafood au gratin. So bake off the puff pastry shells according to the package directions, and they should look like this when they're baked and cooled. Now I've got a half a pound of shrimp that I've deveined and shelled, and also a half a pound of bay scallops, and I'll put them into butter and saute them briefly until they're just cooked through, and then remove them to a plate. Now in the same pan I'm going to saute about a cup of sliced mushrooms and season them with some garlic powder, and when the mushrooms have cooked down I'll remove them to a plate also. Now in the same pan I've melted about 2 tablespoons of butter and an equal amount of flour, 2 tablespoons of flour, and I've created a roux, and when the flour has cooked down I'm going to add in a cup and a half of milk and continue whisking until the mixture thickens. And then when it thickens, I will add a cup of shredded Swiss cheese and some freshly chopped parsley, and we'll have a beautiful au gratin sauce. I've lowered the heat, and what I'll do now is add back the mushrooms and the seafood and combine them well, and you've got the makings of a beautiful seafood au gratin. Now you've got this beautiful seafood au gratin in a puff pastry shell, and I think it'll go great if you have a nice chilled glass of Pinot Grigio on the side. I also don't think that the puff pastry folks will mind if I share their recipe with you, so write to me here at the station, or log on to the station's website and look for the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.